Welcome to our comprehensive guide on personal selling. Let's start with the fundamentals. Personal selling occurs when a company representative interacts directly with a customer or prospective customer to present information about a product or service. The development of a personal selling philosophy includes 3 prescriptions. Adopt marketing concept, value personal selling, become a problem solver/partner. Now let's explore the strategic/consultative selling model. This model emphasizes understanding client needs and providing tailored solutions. Next, we examine the emergence of relationship selling in the information economy. Major developments affecting selling include advances in information technology and e-commerce. Information is a strategic resource. Business is defined by customer relationships. Sales success depends on creating and adding value. Considerations for a future in personal selling include wide range of employment opportunities. Activities performed by salespeople, freedom to manage one's own time and activities. Above average income and psychic income, opportunity for advancement, opportunities for women. Now let's examine what sales reps do with their time. Sales representatives allocate time across prospecting, presenting, following up, and administrative tasks. Titles used in selling today include account executive, account representative, account manager, relationship manager, district representative, marketing partner, regional account manager, key accounts manager, strategic accounts manager, sales consultant, business development representative, sales associate, marketing representative, territory manager, channel partner, national accounts manager, global accounts manager, account development representative. Sales force compensation varies significantly across industries and roles. Compensation typically includes base salary, commissions, bonuses, and benefits packages. Employment settings in sales today include inside salespeople who perform selling at employer's location. Outside salespeople travel to meet prospects and customers. Selling through channels offers diverse opportunities. Career opportunities exist in service channels, business goods channels, and consumer goods channels. Career opportunities in the service channel include hotels, telecom, finance, media, real estate, insurance, business services. Career opportunities in business goods channel include industrial sales, sales engineers, field salespeople. Career opportunities in consumer goods channel include retail sales, direct salespeople. Customer relationship management systems use technology tools to support selling. CRM equals software recording customer info in one place to understand needs and expectations. Leading CRM software includes Salesforce, NetSuite, Sugar CRM, SalesLogic, Siebel. These systems enable more effective customer relationship management and sales success. Now let's explore selling skills, master skills for success in the information age. People spend 40% of time in non-sales selling, persuading, influencing, convincing outside of purchases. Knowledge workers create, use, share, and apply knowledge. Personal selling skills contribute greatly to managers, professionals, entrepreneurs, marketing personnel. Learning to sell involves 4 sources of sales training: corporate-sponsored training, commercial vendor programs, certification programs, college and university courses. Personal selling offers diverse career opportunities across multiple industries and channels. Success requires developing strong relationship-building skills, embracing technology, and continuous learning. Whether through corporate training, commercial programs, certifications, or academic courses, investing in sales skills development opens doors to rewarding career opportunities. Thank you for watching this comprehensive overview of personal selling in today's business environment. Continue your sales education journey and unlock your professional potential. Ready to take your sales skills to the next level? Subscribe for more tips and resources and visit our website to start your journey today.